Welcome all of you to the last working day of the month. Okay, so we are going to continue our sessions after this vacation. So I hope everyone is safe and I wish you a very happy summer and happy and also a healthy summer. So protect yourself from all the diseases and be healthy and be happy. And children, at the same time, we are going to give some vacation homework, okay, so that you can complete this much part, that whatever we have studied. Okay, one chapter we have completed, and it is very important chapter. I have given some practice questions, so that is related. Okay, I hope I have selected questions which are covering almost all the topics. If some topics may be missed also, then we have to learn it from the NCERT book. Okay, so do one thing after reading this. Okay, after reading the NCERT book and after watching the videos, you read the textbook. Okay, that is inheritance of principles of inheritance and variation. That chapter you read it thoroughly. Okay, and after reading, you go through the questions. Okay, after you are confident that we are able to write the answers, then only you take the questions and try to answer this. Okay, you can take a copy and write the answers in the copy, and if any doubts are there, you can communicate with me. Okay, so first you read all the textbook, watch the videos and read the textbook thoroughly, so that you will get what idea how to what means you will get idea of the topics. Then you try to solve it. When you sit to try solve this, then only you will understand what kind of questions will come for the examinations. Okay, so some questions are what given, which are coming means which used to come in the board examination and from sample papers also. So when you try to solve this, you will understand how much deeply you have studied and what is your understanding about that particular topic. Okay, so this questions may be little bit tough when once you read. Okay, but you read the questions many times. If you are not understanding, try to understand the questions by reading it many times, so that you will understand it properly. Then try to write it. Okay, then only you go to the textbook or go then only you search the answers. And these questions we may ask you to submit in the means the answers and the assignment we may ask you to submit in the school, or photos I may ask. So do it sincerely. Everyone should do all this work. Okay, so then I have given you an activity also. So for the 12th examination there will be projects. So so many topics you may get from this chapter itself for your final projects, but this is only a simple an introduction to a kind of project. Okay, here you know to write it in very elaborate way. You have to find out any 5 Mendelian disorders and any 5 chromosomal disorders and describe. Okay, around main points, around half of a page for a particular disease. Okay, so likewise you can write it. Okay, so any 5, it will be easy for you to find out from the internet, and then you have to find out write. Okay, it may not be given all the 5 Mendelian and 5 chromosomal disorders are not given in the textbook, as you know. So you have to find out. Okay, any 5. So briefly you write. There is no need of explaining in many pages. No need. Only what is it? Okay, genotype. Understood? Then what are the symptoms in small what paragraph, or in what brief sentences. Briefly. Okay, in sentences you can write it. Okay, so this work you please do and complete, and enjoy your holidays. Okay, be safe, and I wish you a very happy and healthy summer. Thank you.